Recent experiment reveals limitations in AI's ability to comprehend languages accurately. Google Bard's failure in summarizing a news story highlights its shortcomings. The tool wrongly identified the location of the Chinese university involved. Google Bard mentioned universities from different countries instead of the correct Chinese institution. This incident exposes AI's inability to understand languages and produce 100% reliable content. Generative AI, like Google Bard, saves time but still has a long way to go in content generation. Reliance on generative AI alone can result in inaccurate and incorrect information. Quality and reliability of online content should be verified, as abundant information doesn't guarantee accuracy. Google Bard summaries are unreliable due to these factors. AI chatbots, including Google Bard, have potential but also make interpretation mistakes. Machine learning algorithms used by chatbots can be biased or affected by errors in training data. Natural language understanding poses challenges in capturing the complexities of human language. AI chatbots lack real-world knowledge and common sense, relying solely on provided training data. Incomplete or outdated information can lead to mistakes in chatbot responses. While generative AI like Google Bard shows advancements, it still falls short in reliability for professional tasks. Continued research, improvement, information verification, and user education are essential to enhance these tools and assess online content quality and reliability. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support small creators.